Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hanan Rahman, and today the topic of discussion is Introduction to Computer Networks. So we are going to explore what computer networks is, how computer network works, and we are going to discuss also about why computer networks is important in our daily life. So start. Uh, so first of all, I will tell you about what is computer networks. So computer networks basically वो चीज़ है, for example, a group of computers are connected to each other uh, and they can share information or data through it. So that's what we call computer networking. So now we are going to discuss about the types of computer networks. There are various types of computer networks, but the most commonly used one are LAN, WAN and MAN. So a LAN is a local area network that covers a small geographic area. For example, like we can say an office or a home in which some computers are connected to each other and they are sharing resources to each other. LAN is a most fastest and inexpensive. Now wide area network, WAN. Wide area network covers a large geographic area, and if we can say an internet is an example of WAN. Now metropolitan area, MAN. So a man जो है वो LAN से छोटा होता है, LAN से बड़ा होता है और WAN से थोड़ा सा छोटा होता है. So for example, a university campus, a large campus of something, for example a university in which some devices are connected to each other, for example through internet. So now when we are done with what is computer networks or introduction to computer networks, now we'll discuss about how computer network works. So networking works by transmitting data between devices in the form of packets. For example, अगर आपने कोई लेटर सेंड करना है तो आप किसी मेल में सेंड करेंगे, तो आप उसको उसके वेरियस प्रोसेस है, ब्रेकडाउन प्रोसेस है उसका, कि सबसे पहले आप लेटर लिखेंगे, उसके बाद आप लेटर को एनवेलप में डालेंगे और फिर मेल में सेंड करेंगे. इसी तरह डाटा जो ट्रांसफ़र होता है वो भी स्मॉलर पीसेस में ट्रांसफ़र होता है जो कि पैकेट्स कहलाते हैं. तो इसी तरह पैकेट्स के थ्रू डाटा ट्रांसमिट होता है दूसरी डिवाइसेस को. So this is a concept of how networking works. So key components of a network. So first we have discussed there are several key components are required for a network to function. First one is router. So how router works. A router is an internet device that transmit signals to devices and it knows where the signal is to be sent. So next is switch. It connects devices within in a network and allowing them to communicate with each other. So a server वो चीज़ है जो कि provide करती है resources, for example data, services or a program to a client present in the network. So this is a concept of a server. So now we are going to discuss why computer networks is important in our daily life. There are three main reasons why it is important. Because of computer networks we can communicate with each other through email, through video calls, through messages. So this only is also a big reason why it is important in our daily life. So the second one is we can share resources to each other. For example, if a person is far away from me, but I can I have to send some files to him. I can easily send him through internet or any app. So we can share resources to each other easily nowadays. So the third one is access information. So we can access information that is present on the internet. uh, for example, databases, cloud services. These are free resources that we can access anytime. So this was a brief overview of what computer networks are, how they work, and why they are important in our daily life. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a better understanding of computer networks. If you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comment box.